plastic bag, drifting through the wind, wanting to start again.
Hey beauties, it's Sherry, and I am in my little outfit of the day, which is from Harley Davidson. Obviously it is black and pink, which for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, they are doing a line out with a cute little matching hat. Look at the back. Inside is nice and pink as well. And some of the proceeds are going to go to breast cancer research. Like I said before, I am absolutely obsessed with boots. So I got my little pink boots going on down there, and I added a nice little touch with the amazing Yves Saint Laurent lippy that I just bought in, of course, pink. I have it on right now on top of a NYX liner. Of course, like I always say, it's like the bombshell way to shop. Anyways, beauties, I just wanted to show off what is going on over at the Harley store. If you're interested, go on over there and you too do your part to beat breast cancer. So, like I always have to say, I hope you have yourselves a Kick Cancer's Butt bombshell day. Bye everybody, later gators. See ya.
Feel like a wasted space. Your original cannot be replaced.